Hello, this is Miss Miller, and I am going to show you how to organize your Google Drive. Because this year, since we're virtual, we're going to have a lot of documents and it's going to get a little overwhelming unless we organize. So the first thing I'm going to show you is how to create some folders. If you are in 6th grade, like I'm teaching 6th grade math, then you have 6th grade math, science, social studies, and ELA. So what you'll do is you'll go over here and click the new button, and then you'll click new folder. All right, it gives you an option to title the folder. And what I'm going to suggest is that you make a folder for each of your classes. So we can just do math. And if you really want to get organized, you can even say the teacher. So let's say LeBron James is my math teacher. All right, awesome. Then it will show up as a folder in your Google Drive. So I can put in another folder, and let's just say I can just do ELA, and what if Oprah was my ELA teacher? That'd be pretty sweet. All right. So you see how to make a folder. I would suggest making a folder for every single one of your classes. If you like to be super duper organized, you can change the color of a folder. So you can go down here and whatever color you want. Oprah gives me purple vibes because she is queen. And so if you go back to my drive, you can see that the Oprah folder the ELA folder became purple. Once you need to create a document for a certain class, you should click on its folder, and that will take you into the folder. And then you can make a new document. And here you can make any type of document, whether it's a Word document, whether it's an Excel document, or a slides document. All right, so let's just say I want to make a Google document. All right, you are going to put in your first and last name if you're not already signed in. After you sign in, you are going to see this, which is a blank document. And you can make it whatever you want. Let's just say that I have to write an all about me paragraph. All right. So it's really important to keep organized by making a title for the document. All right. Did y'all see how when I clicked on the box that the title goes in, it auto-populated what the words on the document are? So whatever first words that you put on the document, that will make it the title, but you can easily just click in that box and change it if you want to change the title. So get to know me. All right. All right, so we have that document. That's awesome. And now if we go back and click that tab that says ELA Oprah, because Oprah's my teacher, it shows you that the Get to Know Me document that we just created is in the ELA folder. I can go back to my drive if I want to make a document for my math class with Mr. James. All right, so we can add one. And what if we added a Google Doc? All right, and then instead of writing, we want to do some drawing. Get a drawing into your Google Doc, you just press insert and then drawing and you press new. And then you can take your mouse and you can, draw a line if you want. Amazing. Or you can draw a shape. I love circles, are pretty sweet. And it shows up, okay? And then you just press save and close and it shows up. So if we're doing shapes in math, what does that mean? Geometry practice. And I titled it what it is so that I know exactly what it is. All right, I just press enter. And then I can go back and press the math tab and you'll see that our geometry practice showed up in Mr. James's math class. Let's say that either somebody shared a document with you or you make a document without remembering to put it in a certain class. That's not a big deal. I'm just going to make this one an example document. All right, and just some gibberish, right? So if we go back to my drive, you'll see that in my drive, you have the folders ELA and math, and you also have an example. And let's say this example document was supposed to be in ELA. All you have to do is click on it, drag it up, and it goes into the ELA folder. Now you'll see that in the ELA folder, you have the example document we just made and the Get to Know Me document from before.